Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Diễm Hằng and today I'd like to share with you one of my favorite side dish, Vietnamese mustard green pickles. And it's fermented with rice water. I like to make pickle in the fall and mostly in the winter time. This is traditional Vietnamese preserved vegetable served with comfort food. It's well balanced with softer dish like braised pork belly, braised fish caramel. Wow, they are so yummy. Well, let's start it. I use 2 hits of mustard green or gai choy that you can find at any Asian supermarket. Slice to an inch or 2 inch thick. Wash it and rinse all the dirt out several times and soaking them in hot water for 10 minutes. The water I use here is quite hot. And after 10 minutes, I drain them all and let them dry on the counter. And to make fermented rice water, I use 2 cups of uncooked rice, any kind of rice available in the house. When I cook rice, I always rinsing the uncooked rice to wash away excess starch. Today I use 8 cups of water, rinsing 2 cups of uncooked rice. But I keep the water for my pickling brine. This equals 2 liters of rice water in a container. And I add 2.5 tablespoons of sea salt. The sea salt is the best for pickle. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cinnamon stick add in there. This is just for the optional for the flavor. Transfer all the mustard green into the rice water container and press the green down as much as I can. Have some cut green onions on the top. Cover the lid, give it a shake. Yes, like that. Keep in one place on the kitchen counter for 2 to 3 days, depend on the room temperature you have, and if too cold, it take more time. At this moment, they taste peppery, pungent, and a little bitter, so wait at least 2 days for them to mature completely before eating. After 2 days, the mustard green will change to bright green to yellowish green, that's ready to eat. They will be very crunchy and a little sour and savory. When the pickle becomes fully mature, I like to keep the pickle in the fridge. It will last months there. If they turn too sour and too soft and not crunchy anymore, you can cook it into soup. Maybe like sour soup or stir-fry dish like sweet and sour dish. Well, that's it. This is a perfect pickle side dish with well balanced with salty dish for Vietnamese daily meal. Oh, it's just fantastic with cooked rice, like so. Or maybe braised boiled eggs and pork. Thanks for watching. Hey, I like to see your comments. And until next time, bye.